In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the activity log of boards in monday.com. When you're working with a team in monday.com, it's really important to know who changed what and when they changed it. That's exactly what the activity log is for. It helps you track updates, edits, and movements across your boards, so you always have a clear history of what's been happening. Let's start from your monday.com board. Once your board is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a few icons, including the option to invite new team members. Right beside that invite button, you'll find your profile icon, or in some layouts, a dedicated activity log icon. To access the log, simply click either on the profile icon next to the invite option, or on the activity log icon itself, depending on how your interface is currently displayed. Monday.com may slightly adjust how things look over time or based on your account settings, but the activity log control will always be located around that top right area of the board. As soon as you click it, a panel or window will open showing a chronological list of actions taken on that board. You'll see entries for things like status changes, new items created, updates edited, assignments changed, and columns modified. Each entry usually shows who performed the action and the exact time it happened. Take a moment to scroll through this list. This is your audit trail. If something looks different on your board and you're not sure why, this is the place to confirm what changed. You can often filter or scan by dates or specific types of actions, which makes it easier to narrow down what you're looking for, especially on very active boards. If you're managing a team, the activity log is also a great way to monitor progress without interrupting people for constant updates. For example, if a task suddenly moves to done, or a deadline changes, you can quickly see who made that change and follow up if needed. As a quick tip, get into the habit of checking the activity log whenever you notice unexpected changes or when you return to a board after a few days away. It keeps you informed and helps prevent confusion or miscommunication. So, to recap in simple terms, open your board, go to the top right corner and click on the profile icon next to the invite button or the activity log icon on the right. From there, review the timeline of changes to understand exactly what's been happening on your monday.com board.